So, Theo, what is Newt's job?
Zoe tells Newt the time.
So, basically, he tells us what to do and when to do it, right?
Yes, it's not helpful.
So, what now, kid?
I think time and task must be linked to each other somehow.
Bullseye! Oh, luckily, Mr. Python has a feature like that.
Really?
Yeah, let me show you.
Curly brackets here. Is it another kind of set?
No, it's different from sets.
But we use curly brackets here too.
Okay, next you stored the time. But what's this colon for?
It is used to separate time from task.
Yeah, on the left we write the time.
And on the right is the task.
I get that now. But how is time linked with the task here?
The colon tells Mr. Python to link the time with the task.
Oh, that's convenient. Thanks to Mr. Colon.
Shall we print it?
Oh, right. It's just like we look up for a word in the dictionary.
While here, we look for time to find the task.
Because of this connection, we call the structure as dictionary.